She down? Chris, is she down?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, is everybody down?
Not yet.
Okay. Okay.
The other girls.
See, there's a
Oh,
little spot of water right there.
huh.
And if you follow it up, you see all the white?
It's wet in here too.
Yeah. It's all coming from inside this wall. You can see where
Oh yeah.
formations are starting
Wow.
to flow stone.
Wow.
That's cool.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
There's a lot of little things that are starting to
Right develop.
form in here. Yeah.
That's awesome.
She's right there.
And
Hi, baby.
these kids, last time they went up in here,
Oh, jeez.
up here, and then they went up pretty far.
Wow.
Far up into this. And it was,
Ah.
So, Jaybird, yeah, just, take a little breath. No, I'm fine. Okay. I want to make sure everyone stays fine.
Ooh, that looks fun.
She's fine.
I need to be aware if my girls aren't.
Yeah, of course.
I know that some of these holes go places. They go in and around, come back out again.
And some, I'm sure, are just being dead ends. too.
Yeah. Like this one, I think,
It's tiny.
goes all the way over to there. But it gets really tight.
Yes. Don't want Autumn getting stuck where we can't get her. No, I'm kidding. We're not going to do that.
Oh, I thought you meant kidding about getting her.
You're sleeping down here.
God, that's like my biggest fear. That person that got stuck in the canyon,
Oh, I heard about that, yeah.
and it was like so tight, and he was upside down, and I couldn't get him out. It's like my biggest fear. So the fact that I still do this.
I don't worry about it because
I really
You know this cave.
I know the cave.
That's why I avoid you.
Yeah.
Have we all sort of bunched back up together again?
Yeah.
Are all the girls there?
Okay, there's holes in these walls if you want to explore in the holes.
fun.
We can do that, or what time is it getting to be?
I want to go to the big hall.
It's a little after 2. It's not,
Where's
not too
the
bad.
big hall? Oh, yeah, I want to see the big hall.
Is this the hall?
This is Hanging Rock Hall. And if you look up, you can tell why it's called that.
Oh, I thought it was like giant. I thought it was like...
But if we go this way, these rocks are pretty big once we get over this part here. And if you go all the way to the other end of this hall, there's a small opening at the end that goes up into another room. That it's a good place to just sit and rest for a minute.
Cool.
If you want to do that. And then from there, you have a lot of options.
Cool.
So anyway, let me get out of the
It's
way.
right here, I was to say, I can see.
Ooh, that's
Did you want me to go first then?
I'll go second.
Okay. This takes a little bit. She's gonna need a bump up here.
Okay, I can go for up.
I can get up.
There we go.
I need again, I'll help, okay? Yeah, she's like, no.
I didn't need it.
I know.
Oh, show off.
What? I'm just trying to get it.
Hey Autumn, how about I retire and you take over this job?
Okay.
All right?
Oh, Sam. Whoa, there's a hole down there.
So there's all kinds of places down there
That's cool.
that you can go and explore down inside of these big rocks, or over top of them, or any way that you want.
Over top of them?
Well, I go over top. I've been underneath them, and it's pretty cool down there too. Wherever you want.
Okay. I'm gonna go over top and then under. Like I'm gonna go over and then
Yeah,
under.
just don't fall off the edge, that's all.
Yeah.
That would be a little messy.
Big problem.
And if you get to a point where you need hand climbing over, just say so.
Okay.
Where's that coming from? That's weird.
What?
Oh, just where some of this water is. That's wet there.
This might be an easier way if you want to come over right here.
There's water coming from there. Anyway,
Be very careful. There's a lot of holes and very slippery rocks.
very slippery rocks and big holes. Big holes.
I know when I fell in the
I don't know where to go first. That looks fun.
It's super slippery over here, guys.
I'm so excited for tomorrow.
What's tomorrow?
There's an F1 race in Miami,
Yeah.
and I'm super excited because we're gonna watch it on TV.
Nice.
Because usually it's in like Europe, so for us it'd be like 2 a.m.
Yeah.
I'm not waking to 2 a.m.
Yeah. During lockdown, we got in the habit of watching F1
What's
races
down there?
on Sunday.
Where? That's the passage to the next room.
Oh.
It's a little tight on me.
I can go down here.
I know you can do it easy.
You good?
You don't have to do it the way I do it. Okay? I have a tough time turning around, so I go down head first. Okay, hold on. I just need to catch my breath.
Take your time.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello?
I can put your magnet.
Who is that? No, it's more. There's just someone over. No. I'm not sure who it is.
I can get it.
Okay, hold up a second, Autumn.
We're good.
All right. Done. Wrong way. Okay, come on, Autumn.
Really low.
Very good.
I suck. Hello, tiny human.
Very good. Why don't you come on back here so I can see everybody coming through and we can point and laugh. Very good. You're doing good.
Oh, there's water.
Yeah, there's a little more water in here.
Somebody take this pack.
You got it? There we go. Come on back this way so we can get everybody in this room, okay? That's good.
Man, is that you?
Hey.
Very good. Very good.
Ew. Put your boogers on them.
No, it's dirt.
Oh, it's good. It looks like a lot of
Very good.
Feels like it. Tastes like it. Yep. Glad I didn't like it.
Graceful.
Very graceful.
Wow. She's beautiful. She's
You're
great.
gonna love this part. This is a ride over here. Wait a minute.
Jay, could you just have that pack with the other ones?
Yeah, don't try that bit over there. We got to stand.
I don't. Nobody's like swearing and crying yet. So, I don't think I beat you up.
Yeah, we got a traffic jam coming.
You got this.
Give them a few minutes to clear. You want to head back that way?
I'm right here.
Our troops, yeah. Okay, doggy.
You got this.
It's hard to go forward. You have to sort of go up first and then forward. Yeah.
It's also hard to get a foothold back there.
There's nothing. There really is nothing.
I actually ended up whipping it with my toe to get a little leverage. Yes.
Very good. Very good. Come on up. Come on up and have a seat. Got Bart? We got Bart. Bart's still with us.
Pretty amazing.
If you want to hand up any bags, you can.
I feel like Bart's doing the best out of any of us.
Great time.
I think after this, it's time to start.
Okay. That sounds good.
You're gonna walk it.
Hey, Autumn.
Yeah.
I can't see. Oh, come on. I'm just messing with you, girl. You know that.
Half the YouTube videos just me the back of people's heads.
It could be worse. They used to always be in the back, crawling through tunnels and stuff. All you see is somebody's butt. I used to get a lot of pictures of that.
That's where the bags go.
You got it. If you kind of, yeah, you kind of. Oh, if you have a bag, we can take it.
You did that with a pack on?
Yeah.
It would probably be easier getting it out. You got this.
Yay!
You got it.
Oh, I forgot to smile on it.
You know what? I have nothing for blooper reels. You guys did too good. All right, all right. How's everybody doing? Are you okay? All right. Now, what I'm thinking. Didn't do that right. If we go out this way, we can start heading out. And if somebody has not quite had enough, I can send you on a little route.
You knew that was coming, right?
I should have kept my mouth shut. Because that pit is deep. There's a pit to drop down. It's like 7-8 feet deep.
Oh, jeez. That's not the one with the rope, or it is the one?
No, it's not the one with the
How do
rope.
you get out?
Well, you have to. From there, it's a belly crawl
Oh, got it.
out,
Can't do it by yourself.
out to the other end. But if anybody really wants to do that, you're welcome to do it, but it is kind of sketchy at this point. The only good part about it is that you're going down and you have gravity on your side. So it's like, if you fall down, at least you're going in the right direction.
But I don't think you'll have a buddy, so.
I think most people have had enough.
So I think navigating our way out is.
I support the notion of getting out.
Yeah. Okay. But just to let you know, there is, if we go that way, there's a hole about this big around. You can go down and go through a couple of rooms, and that's the belly crawl out the catacombs. And then there's up here, goes up to another section that's up a little bit higher, and then you climb down. I'm just telling you so that you know, we didn't see the whole cave.
Right.
There's other things to see and do and play in if you want to do.
Do you want a time check?
I
Do it
really
again.
think we need the easiest, most expedient.
2:18.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got a long drive.
Well, that, and I kind of feel like
All these first-time cavers.
all our first
getting
time
tired?
cavers
It's a lot.
are-
It's like a lot, right? It's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh, they're young. They can do this. No problem.
But I need to feel like
It's a lot for them.
we're being heard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
I think the path of least resistance is a good plan.
Is a good way to
Stick
I
away
think
from
the path of least resistance to end while having fun.
All right. So we're going to go down this way. Stay to the right as we're going to go down this little ramp here because it drops off. I'll spot you dropping off, and just walk across and back up again, and we're going to cross this path.
Cool.
It's a little hoo-jiggy-wiggy. It's just kind of sketchy to do, but I'm saying stay to the right, all the way to the right as far as you can go.
Okay.
And that's the highest point of the floor.
Is there a better way out?
A bigger way? This is the biggest.
Okay.
This is going
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.